Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn how to respond to add comments. First, you need to choose the page that you want to use this function with. Click on Manage, go to Facebook Ads, and then you need to connect ad account first. Log in with Facebook, choose your ad account, click Save. Choose the campaign that you want to set up with. This is where you set up a response message when a customer clicks on ad. But now we are going down to add comment setting. So make sure you need to turn on a specific post reply, which means this means this reply, the comment reply, private reply, keyword reply will be answers for only these ads. So let's set up first for the comment reply. For the private reply to a comment, okay, so now we are done. You also can attach the image as well. Once you are done, you can click View Post. Now we are switched to Facebook. Let's see how this ad responds to the customers. Make sure you switch to your personal account and then I will try to comment. For example, you refresh once. Click to see reply, and this is the response message that we have just created in Kaojao.